Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing good. Today in primary 2 computer class we have studied page number 8 and page number 9. I have explained the whole task 1, that is save your data. There are two ways in which we can save our data. There are two kind of devices. The first one is external data storage devices and another are internal data storage devices. The internal data storage device is hard disk, that is also known as C drive, while the external storage devices, there are so many external data storage devices. So the first one is a disk drive. Disk drive is the most common data storage device and it has the biggest storage space available, and it can store a large amount of data or 1,000 movies and a million songs in it. Then we have studied about CDs and DVD. CDs and DVD both are the different thing, but they look alike. CD is a compact disc while DVD is a digital versatile disc. In CDs we have very less space while in DVDs we have much more space. Then we have studied about USB. USB is very cheap and it's very easy to use. It's very convenient external data storage device. If we have talked about the CDs and DVD, we have to be very careful when we are carrying this CD or DVD. But USB, its size is very portable and we can transfer data quickly and easily with the help of this USB devices. Now next is memory card. Memory card are very thin and they are very small, and memory card can be used in the smartphones and digital camera to transfer the data very easily. Okay, we can also use a memory card to transfer data from these devices to the PC or a laptop.